Meditation with baby Jesus. Make yourself comfortable. Sit with spine straight. Close your eyes softly, letting the world around you fade into the background. Take a slow, deep inhale. And then exhale just as deeply. Feel the breath moving through you, calming your body from the inside out. Let your shoulders drop. Allow any tension there to melt away, as though warm light is gently washing over them. Now bring your awareness to your heart. Visualize baby Jesus resting within it, radiant, joyful, full of life. See how playful he is, how delight spreads from him. Simply enjoy his presence inside you. Put a smile on your face. Let yourself play with him just as naturally as you would play with a beloved child. He is God within you, limitless, loving, eager to be one with you in this moment. So play with him the way you would with your own child. Play with him the way you would with your brothers and sisters. Play with him as you would with a dear friend. Look at him. Delight in him. Let yourself be warmed by his joy. Stay here for as long as you wish. Let time slow down. Let your heart be a home filled with tenderness, innocence, and connection. When you're ready, take another deep, grounding breath. Feel your body again, your hands, your feet, the space around you. And slowly, gently, open your eyes.